Happy holidays, everyone. I know you've been wondering what I've been doing. Well, Lovelady's been just taking it easy, trying to catch up on some much needed things that she's been needing to do. Her work has been crazy. But right now, what I'm doing is probably what most of us are doing at this point, is getting ready for the holidays. We won't be having anything big, but of course, every year I do cook. My husband is not going to not let me cook. So, I've been prepping up really since like Saturday, I guess. And today is what? Monday? Is it Monday or is it Tuesday? Anyway, just been prepping up, and I'm about to prep up my cornbread dressing so I don't have to do it on Thursday. I'm not going to say I've never. In the past, I have been cooking on Thanksgiving or Christmas or whatever holiday it is. So I have been making it a good practice not to be doing that on the day of, because the person that's cooking is the one that's always left out of the festivities, as you can say. So right now I am preparing my cornbread dressing. And of course it's homemade. So yeah, what are you doing? Leave it in the comments. What kind of things do you and your family indulge on holidays like this here? Do you do the traditional Thanksgiving meal, turkey, ham, salad, potato salad, green beans, greens? What do you have? Or do you just do a regular dinner? Also, if you cook for Thanksgiving, do you cook for Christmas? I can tell you, in my house, we used to do the double holiday big meals. But, of course, as your kids get older, everybody start doing their own thing. I kind of like now, it's a lot of work if you're a person that cooks. So, I don't no longer, if I cook for Thanksgiving, like a big meal, I don't do a big meal for Christmas or vice versa. I will cook, but sometimes it may not be the turkey and ham. It may be like a roast or a baked chicken. Or in the South, being a native of Houston, we would do like a gumbo or pretty much whatever we want to do other than a big Thanksgiving type meal. Because two things most of us end up doing for holidays: barbecue or turkey. And I'm at a point where now it's kind of like whatever's simple. So I have a 2-family household in occasion of my son Ray. So I normally would prep him up some meals and take it to him. So for me and my husband, we'll eat, a day or two. And before that night's up, I've been to prep every meal that I'm going to have for however far they're going to stretch. Only thing that I end up refreshing up and making more of is probably dressing. And I normally would do that. What I do is I'll prep it up and then I will freeze it. So when I want more dressing, because my husband do love dressing, that I can just make it for him. So right now what I'm doing is I done crushed up my cornbread. So I'm going to let you see that. So I have one pot and a bowl of cornbread that I've blended in. So now I'm going to mix up one of them for a pan. And I'm going to take you over there to where my mix is at. So here I have my cornbread stuffing mix. It's mixed. I already have my seasoning in it. So most likely, now what I'm going to end up doing is just, I'm going to divide that up so I can have some for later. And I'm going to put some broth in it. I don't have broth in it now. It just have its own juice. So the rest of it, I'm going to end up putting it in a freezer safe container. And I'm going to freeze it for another additional batch if I need it in the future. So yeah, because trust me, this is going to be a lot right here. I'm going to do this bowl, mix this up, and then I will, the one that's in the pot, I'm going to store that. I might mix it all up and just put it in there. I don't know. Or I might put it in a big Ziploc bag or something. But yeah. So, what are you guys doing? Oh, I'm going to, I suppose the Ben did my diced tomatoes. I have not did that, but I will be doing it. I might do it tomorrow. I don't know, because everything that I have to cook is going to be complete or at its last stage tomorrow anyway. I just have to put my turkey, which is in the sink, my turkey and my ham. I'm going to season that up early tomorrow morning. I do have 2 oven roasters. Lovelady is not putting nothing in the oven. I'm not going to put nothing on the pit. I'm going to just slow cook it in my oven roaster on probably like 250, 300 and let it do its thing. My goal is by tomorrow night, everything is complete. I will not be up on Thanksgiving trying to make any last minute preparations. I have my sweet potatoes that I'm about to peel, and tomorrow I will be harvesting greens fresh out of the garden. So I will be doing those tomorrow. We do supposed to get some rain tonight. They've already been fertilized 2 days ago, watered. Then I want the fresh Mother Nature water to hit it. And from there, I'm just going to harvest them, probably get up and harvest them between 10 and 12. Tomorrow, clean them after I pick them and get them started. And again, I will not be putting that on the fire. Hold on. So there you go. My dressing is ready to go. I'm about to cover it up. And it will be ready. Once it cools, I can put it in the ice box. The refrigerator, as some would say. Well, I hope everyone is having a safe Thanksgiving, pre-Thanksgiving gathering or family time. School is out for the week for us here. So I've been prepping all week, all weekend. And I'm now dicing up my tomatoes so I can get ready to do some diced tomatoes. But, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little short video. It wasn't much, but it was just really me just saying, hey, how you doing? It's been a while, and the Thanksgiving holidays are coming up on us. So I would like to give thanks to everyone and say, thank you, first of all, for coming out, and not even coming out, but just clicking on my video just to see what I'm talking about. It's been a lot going on here in Texas. Work is work. Still stressful. That stuff is still going around really bad here. So, it's just been very hard to focus on doing videos when you're stressed out. So, yeah, wanted to reach out and say hello and let you guys know what I'm thankful for. So now that I have my dressing ready, it's going into the refrigerator until tomorrow. But since I got you on here, You know, this has been a really crazy year for, I think, everybody. And I just want to say, we don't know what tomorrow will bring. I pray that I'll be here again tomorrow. But with everything that's going on, you know, everybody's days are numbered. So, in the midst of everything that's going on, I just want to you know, let you guys know some things that I'm very thankful for. Number one, I'm very thankful that, you know, you guys subscribe to my channel or even took the time out to just look at a video. Even if it's something that you're not doing yourself. I'm thankful that God brought me this far because He didn't have to. As well as wake me up every day. Get me over my little scare I had a couple of weeks ago. Family is how you say it, they're not always promised, you know, so you need to love on your family while they're here, especially with everything that's going on. You know, make sure that you're being safe, you know, even with visiting. They have new ways that they're trying to get people to visit with family, and it's hard. So I hope you guys are taking precautions with these gatherings. Excuse me. I'm not going to tell anyone what to do in their home when it comes down to visiting their family or not visiting your family. Only thing I'm going to say is just make sure you're doing it safe, however that may be for you, especially if you don't live with them and you don't know their social environment. So just be thankful that, you know, you still have your health and strength, if you have your health and strength. And, you know, I'm just thankful that I still have a job. You know, people is losing jobs left and right. Even when I feel like my job is about to kill me. But I will say, you know, when it's all said and done, that I'm just thankful that I still have a job to say I have a job. Yeah. So I'm thankful that I have a roof over my head. It may not be someone else's ideal roof, but it's I have one over my head. I'm thankful for all the videos that I do watch that has taught me something new. I've watched, and I have watched, and I do watch a variety of channels. And I learn personally from each and every person that I do watch. I mean, if I take the time to watch your videos, it's something about what you're saying or you're doing that's caught my attention. Now, it may not be my way, but it's your way. And your way may be a way that can help me out. You never know. I'm dicing up tomatoes, guys. So, if you're a new gardener, what I will say is take something from everybody. There's no one set in stone way of doing things. And just because they have a small channel don't mean they don't know what they're doing. But keep your mind open to different styles, because as a new gardener, I still consider myself a new gardener. I'm still learning a lot of stuff, as well as I'm always challenging myself to learn more things. Just like all that craft stuff that's over there that I love doing, and them books on that shelf that I love reading. But make sure that you're keeping your mind open and you build up your skills, because you just don't know right now where everything is going. I never thought that I'd be learning how to can, whether it's water bath, whether it's pressure canning. And it's not that I feel like there's anything wrong with it, but it's a lot of things that, you know, we don't, I'm not going to say take for granted, but while we're living life, this was somebody's life already. You know, it's just new to us, for those that's just learning. Some people grew up canning, just like someone grew up gardening. And you can't compare yourself to someone that's been doing it forever. You know, you're in your first year, second year. Yeah, you may be good at it. You may get good at it. But it may not be your best trait. Just like, I feel like I'm good at gardening. I feel like I'm good at canning. With what I know how to can. But I'm not the best. I'm not a pro. But I'm learning how to do what I need to do for the things that I like. It's getting hot. And I just want to tell you, you know, be thankful for people that is content creators, that is putting their, how you say, they personal, that they're putting their skills out there for you to learn. Because if it wasn't for some of the gardeners that I've watched since I've been gardening, it's a lot of stuff that I probably wouldn't know how to do. And even when I thought I needed this, I thought I needed that, I realized that I was overdoing certain things, overthinking it. So, after watching all these different channels, all these different styles of gardening, I picked out things that will benefit me in my area and what will work for me. So I'm very thankful for those gardeners that's out there, the old and the new. And I'm learning from each and every one of you guys. So with that said, I'm going to end this video, but I would love to hear some things that you're thankful for. And it doesn't have to be gardening. I mean, whatever it could be. Y'all, this is going to be a lot of tomatoes. Oh my gosh. But anyway, have a blessed day. And happy gardening. And I pray that I see you in 2021. Meaning, I'm alive, you alive, and your family's alive. Be safe, guys. That's all I can tell you. Be safe. Thank you. Have a great day.